Hello everyone, today I will show you how to justify a line text on a comment box using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and select your comment option in this menu bar and double click on this comment box, this call-out comment, and drag your mouse to select all text or press Ctrl F for your keyboard, select all text box or comment box, and this right sidebar click on this arrow, and here you will find this justify align option. Select here and this is all of text now justify align. Also I will align this text box all text as justify align and select here justify align. See this, yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.